Here we are on the 10th Monday night session of the season, which also happens to be the first Monday night session of the second quarter. After some ups and downs during the first quarter of the season, I'm hoping to get a better start and continue to improve on all the individual parts of my game that I've been working on.
Another one.
Although Game 1 seemed to get off to a good start, I'm not too pleased that I missed both of the spare opportunities I had during the first game. Even though the fourth frame could easily have been a strike, I have no excuse for missing the 7-pin as badly as I did. I won't beat myself up too badly for missing the 2-4-5 spare in the 9th frame. Thankfully, every other frame but those two were strikes. For anyone unfamiliar with league bowling, once the ball goes into the gutter, it is no longer in play. So even though the ball jumped out of the gutter and knocked over the 10 pin in the fourth frame of Game 2, that counted as a missed spare. So far, the majority of my first balls have been on target. I'm just struggling with making spares that I should definitely be making.
For 5 apiece. Third game is worth 10 bucks.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I can say with a good level of certainty that tonight was my worst spare performance in a long time, if not ever. Somehow, I was still only 3 pins away from having a 600 series. I will definitely have to review what I'm doing wrong, because although you can't tell from tonight's performance, I make the majority of my single pin spares during practice sessions. At least it's still early in the season. For anyone that has made it this far into the video, I appreciate you watching.
Hey, that's the team we talk